Did you know overwatering is a bigger problem than underwatering? It's true. Many gardeners unknowingly drown their precious plants with too much love. But don't worry, mastering efficient watering is simpler than you think. It's a dance of observation, intuition, and gentle care. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Spring has sprung. It's time to reconnect with the earth, breathe in the fresh air, and feel the sun on our skin. As we nurture our gardens, we nurture ourselves. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated. Let's embrace a simpler, more intentional way of gardening. Together, we'll discover the joy of efficient watering. Before you reach for the watering can, take a moment to feel the soil. Is it dry an inch below the surface? Your plants might be thirsty. Different plants have different needs. Tomatoes love a deep soak, while lettuce prefers lighter, more frequent watering. Pay attention to their individual preferences. The golden hours of watering. Early morning is the ideal time to water your garden. The air is cool and the water has time to soak in before the sun gets too intense. Avoid watering in the heat of the day, as much of the water will evaporate. Evening watering is acceptable but can lead to fungal diseases if the foliage stays wet overnight. Tools for a thriving garden. Save time and water with smart tools. Soaker hoses deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation. Drip irrigation systems are even more efficient, delivering water drop by drop. And don't forget the magic of mulch. A layer of organic matter helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Dancing with nature's rhythm. Spring is a time of unpredictable weather. One day it's sunshine, the next a downpour. Keep a close eye on the forecast and adjust your watering accordingly. A simple rain gauge can help you track rainfall. Remember, nature provides the best watering system of all. Nurturing life with mindfulness. Efficient watering is about more than just conserving water. It's about connecting with nature, understanding your plant's needs, and finding joy in the simple act of nurturing life. Water with mindfulness, water with love, and watch your garden thrive. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.